If you are wanting to add captions to your video inside Adobe Express and you go to Edit Page and you don't see anywhere here where you can add captions, you can do it inside the editor. It's actually this button here that you need to use. Once we've added your video file to your workspace, we're going to go into Edit Timeline. And then this icon here, the two C's, we can open Captions. And I'm just going to change this to English UK, language spoken, and I'm going to hit generate. And if I scroll on the timeline, you can see that they have been generated. Now, I just want to double check that all the transcript is correct, because if my Scottish accent doesn't always copy exactly. So we can click on transcript here, and I can go down and check through the transcript just to make sure if I need to change any words. We can also change the format. So we have these three standard ones here, which you can view all. Then there is lots of different styles we can choose from for the captions, and I choose rapid. And we can also change the color of the text and your fonts. I'm just going to change it to my own brand. I'll make it like pink text. I can also change the color of the shadow behind as well. And if you decide that you want to remove the captions, as you go back to generate, we can just click the button remove captions to take captions away, like so.